Welcome to Ayelet Montessori. We're so glad you could join us for this virtual open house. Step inside and discover how our prepared environment nurtures independence, curiosity, and a lifelong love of learning.
In every corner of our environment, you'll find carefully chosen Montessori materials. These are not just toys, they are tools for exploration, building focus, and hands on discovery. Here, children learn at their own pace, guided by their interests.
Our trained Montessori educators act as guides, creating an atmosphere of respect and encouragement. Observation is at the heart of what we do, ensuring each child gets exactly the support they need.
At Ayelet Montessori, children are not only learning academics, they are developing independence, problem solving skills, and confidence to make their choices. They learn to care for themselves, for each other, and for their environment.
Whether you're considering Montessori for your child now or in the future, we invite you to come see the difference because Montessori isn't just a method, it's a way of helping children to grow into capable, compassionate individuals.
Thank you for joining us on our virtual open house. We look forward to welcoming you to Ayelet Montessori, your child's happy place.